Physical sciences. Energy. We will learn about energy in this video. As we see in this short video, how energy works. How do electromagnets work? As we see in this video, how it works. Electricity plus magnets. Electromagnets. The flow of electricity is called an electric current. An electric current is made up of charges in motion. Charges in motion can produce a magnetic field. Electricity generates a magnetic field. In a coil, magnetic field lines are concentrated. Electricity through a signal wire has a weak magnetic field. Magnetic field is stronger when the coil is wrapped around an iron bar. This is an electromagnetic. Electromagnesium. A recap. Electric current through a single wire has a weak magnetic field. When wrapped around an iron bar, the magnetic field becomes stronger. You know how have an electromagnet? Have you seen real-world electromagnets at work?